Just so YouTube doesn't take down this video, I'm going to call the sports app SF and the streaming app OS. So when it comes to the sports app, the new downloader code is 8204342. And when it comes to the streaming app, the Firestick exclusive downloader code is 6463094. And I'm gonna keep saying this. I know I sound like a broken record to a lot of you guys, but I'm reading off my own list on my other YouTube video, my downloader code app list. I keep referring back to that because this is where I'll go myself to update these codes. So whenever I find an update or add another app to my app list, this is where you'll find it in that video. So it'll be in the pinned comment section. But when it comes to the sports app, SF, they haven't, from what I know currently, they don't have like a website, but they do have like community pages. I'm not a part of the community page, but fortunately for me, some of you guys that's on my community page, on my Facebook page, has shared the code with me. But just to let you guys watching know, this is coming from an official source. It's not like a clone or a replica or anything like that. It's an official working version for Firesticks. When it comes to Android TV devices and Google TV devices, we still don't have any issues. So all these updates are referring to Firesticks. And when it comes to the OS app, there's more details I have to go over because there's some confusion I want to clear up, and also I want to give you my recommendations on how to handle, because I think at this point we have like 3 versions of OS. We have the original that was disabled by Amazon, and we have a clone that was made to bypass the Amazon block MF, and now currently we have the original version made for Firesticks. I wish I could show y'all, but it would make sense just to show y'all, just to blur it out. But just go by what I'm saying, please. If you go to their website, well, let's try it this way. So before, when you went to the website, they had a version for Android TV and Android phones, but now they have a version for Android TV, Android phones, and Firesticks down here at the bottom. Always use the original version of the app when you can. So MF, the clone, I recommend uninstalling that. But all right, y'all, I'll chop it up with y'all in the comments about this some more. If you are interested in informational videos and updates like this around everyday tech and products, feel free to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. But when it comes to this video, this is all I got for you. So much love to each and every one of you. I'm your downloading pirate, and I'm out.